A custom laser machine with no compromises, that is what we specialize in. We've done them all. Robot arms, plate stackers, custom rotary crane loaded lasers. And this latest one, what is its superpower? This custom build is huge. I could lie down inside it and probably have a good night's sleep. Why on earth did they need it to be this big? This particular customer actually started with a METRE C, but then they purchased their first custom machine from us to mark parts up to 1100 millimeters long. Now, because of high demand and new product ranges, they needed another custom system that could mark parts up to 1600 millimeters in length, all with the door closed. It's like the whole of my wingspan to try and reach across it.
It's 186.
Just shy of 2 meters.
Yes, you can fit stuff in like this, which can get put inside from the front, and that part can be up to 1600 millimeters.
You could technically mark a long part on a micrometer.
Well, you could, but it'd be very unsafe.
Because?
You wouldn't be able to close the doors. It wouldn't be an encapsulated mark.
So it's a case of basically wanting to do a really long part, but wanting to do it in class 2.
Yes.
This is a really good point. People still don't necessarily understand the incredible amount of danger in operating what's called class 4, which means laser radiation just flying all over the place. Can we have a look at the door?
Yes.
It's quite a big thing for it to move up and down. Oh, that's smooth.
This is why our doors are pneumatically driven. It's a lot better than electrical because it's a lot cleaner and it's a lot smoother.
More reliable as well.
More
right?
reliable, less variables.
These door sliders can actually take up to 60 kg each.
Yeah.
So way over spec as well to guarantee that reliability.
And completely adjustable as well.
How many cycles have you put this door through to make sure that it's like perfect?
250.
Has it got any more to go?
Another 250.
Wow, it's really quick as well, actually. All of our machines are built of this aluminium extrusion. It's very easy to expand the machine without it being a huge amount of expense to you, the customer. It's not like an off-the-shelf box, and you can't get this off the shelf, but you can get it here. Boom. This is a really, really nice touch, I think, is these 3 T-slot tables across here. If I measure 100 mil off the top of this one and 100 mil off the top of that one,
Yep.
my part's dead straight.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
exactly.
very clever.
Maybe you have to have it slightly off the bed and at a certain angle. It puts it 100% of the time, every time.
Long and short of it, if you pardon the pun, if you are looking for a laser system and you notice that you're starting to cut corners or make compromises buying some kind of off-the-shelf thing, I would say it's time to give us a call. Josh, dude, thanks so much for walking me through it all.
No
Thank
worries.
you. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.